viewers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about some of the codes that we normally need to know as a programmer. So I'm going to start from like a basic level. So in my previous videos I have shown how using namespace std can help to reduce effort of using std and then colon count, so I don't have to use that if I have using namespace std. So when I'm gonna run, you guys are gonna see hello world. We get hello world. So now if I want to print anything else, I want to print something else like welcome to my channel and then semicolon, is also gonna print. Now see that I have both of the codes combined together, and I have explained my previous video. I don't have endl here, that's why. So I'm gonna run and it's gonna be two separate. Another way I can save my time by not writing endl. Instead, inside of the quotes, I'm gonna type like this and then it's gonna be two separate lines. I don't have to write endl, so this saves my time. Next, I'm gonna show you how to declare a variable. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to declare a variable. So it's gonna be int and maybe YouTube, and then it's gonna be semicolon. So there I declare it. So this one is like declaring how to define a variable. So in definitions, I'm gonna just do YouTube 100 then semicolon. So what I'm doing here is I'm defining a variable. Next, I'm gonna do count YouTube. It's gonna be 100. I print it. So this is the output. So next I can show you guys how to print a value. So it has int a is equal to 6. So int, and then I'm going to do int b is equal to 7 semicolon, the count a plus b semicolon, then it's going to add both of them. So it's going to print 13 here. Next I can do is that I'm going to give count a plus b equal. I can give quotations and then write equal and then give a space and then give it the quotations, and then I'm going to do a plus b, then I'm going to print. So it's going to be a plus b equal 13. So you can see there is a space. It's a space because I have given a space here. That's why it's a space. If I remove the space, you can see it's closed right now. So in the previous one, I have the same exact one. It just instead of plus, it's going to be minus. Now instead of minus, I can give division, and then instead of minus, it's going to be divided. So it's not showing the other part. So 6 divided by 7 is 0.8, and because I give integer, it's not showing the floats. So if I change it to float, if I change this to float, I'm gonna see the rest of the value, which is 0.85. That's the difference. Other thing, you can give double, so that saves your headache whether it's int or not. It's gonna print it. Like double can be integers, it can be float, so it covers both of them. I hope you guys get it. I hope you guys like my video. If you guys like it, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.